So it looks like this might be an emotional cop for some. At one point, resale was way up on these, and then resale prices came down on them, and then I guess there was some speculation about a shock drop that was happening today, May 3rd. Nothing in the atmosphere. And now it looks like, emotionally speaking, prices on these are climbing back up. What is going on? Were you able, comment down below, let me know who was actually able to hit on raffles on these, because on the raffle side of things, there's a lot of L's that have come after the first initial release from VAA of people hitting like crazy on these. Now it's like barely anybody's been hitting on raffles, which kind of questions the stock numbers now. Now for me, it questions kind of like the stock numbers. But look, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and slap some laces into these joints. Now, y'all know what I say, man. Whenever you have a black, a white, or a gray shoe, virtually any color would work, you know, inside of there, because you can get that matching with anything. So comment down below, tap that like button, go ahead and hype up the video if you're feeling your boy. I would greatly appreciate that. And let's just enjoy some lace swaps. All right, let's peep this.